Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the high-low breakout indicator for MT4. Okay, so the first step is to download the indicator. Just go down to the description. You're going to find the link. You can download the indicator, and after that, make sure that you decompress the folder and then pick out the indicator file, head over to your indicators folder for MT4 and paste the indicator right there. Then you have to come back to your navigator and refresh it, after which you should see the high-low breakout indicator. All right, so now you just have to drag and drop, ensure that you allow the LL imports box is checked. Now these are the customizable settings. Okay, so without wasting so much time, you can see that the high-low indicator plots, highs and lows as the name implies. All right, so it automatically tracks important highs and lows on your charts and helps you to spot breakout opportunities. So basically, when price breaks above the identified high, you want to look out for buy opportunities, right? And when price breaks below the identified low, you want to look out for sell opportunities. Okay, so whether you are trading reversals or breakouts or volatility based setups, this indicator can actually help you to simplify your analysis to an extent and make the work easier for you. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.